rather than your leg wearing out uniformly over a period of 60-70 years, one part of the legs which is undergoing more stresses wears out faster. So to prevent that, give a good calcium rich diet in your children, and also get them exposed to sunlight. That's a very, very important and crucial step. The next thing you can do is, now you grow up and at the age of 30, 40 or 45, 50, you have seen your parents or your relatives undergoing knee replacement or suffering with knee arthritis. And the question which pops up in your mind is, what can I do to prevent arthritis? There are still certain things which you can do to prevent arthritis. One is, do not indulge in any high impact activities. Things like, if you are getting knee pains, occasional knee pains, that means your knee is telling you, I am not all right, please take care of me. So in this situation, do not jump, do not take part in any kind of dancing activities, don't play sports like tennis, basketball or baseball. And if you have a two-wheeler, do not kickstart your two-wheeler, and try to avoid squatting on the floor. Because when you squat, you load the knee 3 times more than how you load the knee when you're walking. So these are the do's and don'ts about what you should do after you're about 45 and you started getting knee pains. And in addition to that, what you can do to prevent arthritis from getting worse is exercise on a regular basis. Our knee, in addition to the bones, is also made up of muscles, and the muscles is like a thick envelope of muscles around your knee joint, and these muscles act as shock absorbers. So if you have a nice thick musculature around the knee, the amount of stresses your bone undergoes reduces dramatically. So your chances of you getting knee arthritis also reduces. So this other thing you can do is, there is a set of exercises, very simple, takes about 15 minutes, and you would not even break into a sweat, I guarantee you that. So if you do those exercises, your chances of you having knee pains and the amount of medications you require to control the knee pains dramatically reduces. So after you do all these things and the knee pains still bother you, it can sometimes, then what do? Then you would go to a doctor. We would still advise you to undergo some more exercises. We would teach you some stretching exercises. We'll ask you to modify your lifestyle, things like do not sit on the floor, do not climb stairs, lose weight. These are the normal standard things, advice which we give to all patients. And specifically regarding the kind of work you do, the kind of activity we do, we may tailor make some of these requirements according to your needs. And we may also put you on some medications. These medications are not painkillers. These medications are what we call as viscosupplements. They enhance the quality of cartilage which is remaining in your knee joint. So they do work in certain individuals to a certain extent. It's not like you use that viscosupplementation, you'll be all right. It will improve the quality of your knee joint to a certain extent for a certain duration of time. So what it essentially does is, it postpones you undergoing a surgery by a couple of years, maybe a decade if you're lucky enough. But at the end of the day, as you age, your knee will age with you, and as your knee ages with you, you start getting more pain and it gets crippling. And the day when you feel, not when the doctor feels, the day when you feel that your knee joint is not able to match up to your expectation, that's the time that a surgery is advised for you. And in the surgery, we call it a total knee replacement. It's a fantastically successful surgery being performed for the last 30 years. And obviously with the kind of medical technology and advancements we have improved on the longevity, we have improved on the demands of a patient, we have improved on the range of movement which we used to give to a patient. Now the patients after undergoing a surgery are back to normal, as good as back to normal. And in the surgery, even though we call it a total knee replacement, it's not actually a knee replacement, it is more like a knee resurfacing. We change the surface of the knee.